So we are at the gimnasio. Good morning, welcome to the video. I have not done an intro. I'm recording with my phone, so sorry for the quality, because it looks good on here, but then it turns like weird on the computer or whatever. But yeah, it's Hurricane Irma coming tomorrow night. Yeah, so we're getting ready, of course, at the gym. Shaking my head. We're just trying to get these gains before we can't get them. But yeah, so it's like really windy. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. But yeah, so it's hurricane. We're getting our last workout in before the storm. Yeah, so I'll just vlog this whole weekend and show you guys what happens, because I don't even know what's gonna happen. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this workout and this video. Let's get it.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go? We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand and you'll see.
Okay, you guys, so it is so windy outside. We are getting ready for Hurricane Irma or whatever, but we're not staying here because we have a lot of trees, as you can see. It's literally right over our house, so it could fall, to be honest. So we're gonna go to my aunt's house just to play it safe. Hopefully it does not fall on our house, because I do not want that to happen. But we also have another tree in the back. Like, we have that one and then there's another one right there. So we have a lot of trees back there. Our neighbors are all getting ready for Hurricane Irma. They have like the wood stuff on there, and yeah, and some other neighbors are doing the same. And we're clearly not staying here because we have too many trees. You guys, so I just packed my car with everything that I think I'll need to go to my aunt's house. I have Teddy here. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. I have Teddy here. Teddy, say hi. We're on our way to our aunt's house. Yeah, so I have his like food, his training pads, everything. And I'm sorry, my car is like, whenever it starts, it makes this loud noise. But Yeah, so we basically have everything. I took some covers, some snacks and food and stuff like that, and I'll keep you guys updated. It is really like windy and rainy right now. Yesterday was just windy, but now it's like rainy and windy, as you can see by the windows. But yeah, I hope everyone stays safe, and of course this is gonna go up after the hurricane, so yeah, stay safe guys. I'm here with Teddy, here with my baby. So, okay, yeah, so we're taking our dogs for runs because they're really hyper and they don't get along. We're trying to make them become best friends. So, we're gonna go for a run.
Woohoo!
It's getting all wet.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
Make sure they become best friends.
Guys, okay, keep in mind this is like in the middle of like hurricane starting. Let's go! Amanda, can you pick it up please?
You don't have shoes on.
Nope.
Everything I showed you here, but this is at my aunt's house, and then I'll show you guys like the streets and everything in my house when I go to my house. I want to leave now and go home, see if everything's fine. But yeah, so many trees fell. Our running park is flooded. Oh my
Flooded
God.
right there. That's where we are.
Teddy, our running park is destroyed, baby. We can't run for a while.
Oh my gosh, it's all right there.
There was a tree on that house. So we're at our house. It's not bad at all. The only thing we don't have is light and water and all that, which sucks. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you got some ideas for back to biceps at the beginning of the video, and I hope you enjoyed that hurricane footage. It's currently a week later. We got power Friday night. So we cleaned the house yesterday, literally got groceries. Like, we had no groceries at all, because when the power goes out, you can't get to your fridge and all that good stuff, or bad stuff. But yeah, so I'm just so thankful nothing serious damage happened to my house or anything. I'm so excited to cook this week and be on track and go to the gym and just kill it. Don't take for granted not having power, guys. Don't take it for granted. I have a puppy, and it was just really hard to get everywhere because I have to take Teddy with me literally everywhere. So I went to the gym like 2 times this past week, ate out every single night. So we're gonna clean it up this week. We're gonna get it. We're gonna kill it, and we're gonna keep finishing the year strong, guys. We're gonna keep killing it. We're gonna keep working hard and just finish what we started. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.